Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to send view once photos and videos in WhatsApp. Let's open WhatsApp and you want to open any chat. Now tap plus icon if you have iOS device and tap paperclip icon if you use Android. Now I will go to my camera roll in order to select photo or video that I want to use. Now tap it, and then at the bottom right corner of your screen next to the text field where you type captions, you will see a small circle that has number 1 in it. Tap it, and as you can see here you have a message that media is set to view once. And after this you just have to send it as usual. Like this, and after this participants of the group or the person that you messaged on the other end will have an opportunity to open that video or photo just once, and also they cannot take screenshots of it. So that is basically how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.